How to use your home's own living electric kitchen composter. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Setup. After removing the composter from the box, take out the filter from the filter holder, remove the stickers from the filter, and insert the filter back to the machine. Place your composter in a well-ventilated area with access to a power outlet, and make sure it's on a stable surface. Step 2. Preparation. Before using, prepare your food scraps. You can place a variety of food waste like vegetables, meats, eggshells, coffee grinds, and more. Please be aware of what type of food waste is unavailable for the composter. You can find the information in the user manual. Step 3. Loading. Push the button located on the lid to open the composter and place your food waste. Make sure the 2 arrow marks on the metal bin and composter are aligned to secure the bin. And close the lid once you hear the clicking sound. Step 4. Operation. Push the start button on the lid to begin. The whole decomposition process can take up to 6 to 10 hours. Once it begins, the composter will generate a high temperature to process the waste. Please be aware of the hot bin if you open it. Step 5. Harvesting. Once the process is complete, the light will switch back to the start and the cleaning sign. You can open the lid and the pre-compost is good to go for your garden and plants. Step 6. Maintenance. Empty the pre-compost in the bin. Pour water into half volume of the bin. Close the lid and press the clean button to start the auto cleaning mode. The auto clean mode will remain about 40 minutes. Once done, remove the water and clean the silver inner lid. Step 7. Repeat. You can simply repeat the process for all your food waste and enjoy the eco-friendly composting while reducing your carbon footprint. Living made simple. Home's own living.